3 for red. And I think they're touching the tower. And 3 for blue. Now, 3 blue, they have 3 different mobile goals. All right, so red wins autonomous. Blue wins autonomous. And so now we are ready for, all right, we are ready for drive to control in 3, 2, 1, go. And so now, some Model X. And their partners, Aero 4 knockdown, taking advantage of their autonomous win. 5-star Hurricane Hackers, moving that into the scoring zone. Looks like the other ball unable to move, and that looks like Hurricane Hackers is trying to move the red ball into the way to defend that corner on the other side. 404 knockdown has picked up the blocking their corner. And so now it looks like Tesla Alex trying to get to that corner, but really have to hand it to the Hurricane Hackers. They did a nice job of pinning their partner body in place. And now it looks like Tesla Alex was able to get a hold of that. So now they're continuing to battle away in the corner with 36 seconds left. And now a question of who's going to get that blue mobile goal. If the blue mobile goal is picked up by the Hurricane Hackers, then it's going to go into the, and now it's turned over as well, and take by Tesla Model X. So it looks like Model X, and that's the end of the corners. Those corners are now protected. As time runs out,